Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your WeChat network. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat network, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window or to the application of WeChat. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working, you can go to your Play Store, you will uninstall your app, and you will wait a moment to install again your applications. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.